Have you ever seen a celebration where thousands of people move together? Not for music, not for money, but for faith? A day where an entire nation dresses in white and walks as one? This is Timket. Timket is one of the most powerful and beautiful traditions in Ethiopia. It celebrates the baptism of Jesus Christ, and for millions of Ethiopian Orthodox Christians, it's not just a holiday. It's a deeply spiritual experience. Every year in January, cities and villages across Ethiopia transform into places of worship, joy, and unity. But Timket is not something you just watch. It's something you feel. The celebration doesn't start in one moment. It builds slowly. People prepare days ahead, washing their traditional white clothes, known as Habesha. Families come together. Friends travel long distances. There's excitement in the air, but also respect. Because everyone knows something sacred is about to happen. One of the most powerful parts of Timket is the procession. Priests, dressed in colorful robes, carry something very sacred called the tablet. The tablet represents the Ark of the Covenant, and it is the heart of the ceremony. As it moves, thousands follow. There is singing. There is prayer. There is traditional music echoing in the streets. People don't rush. They walk together, slowly, peacefully. In that moment, it doesn't matter who you are or where you come from. Everyone becomes one. As night falls, the atmosphere becomes even more spiritual. Many people stay all night near the water, praying, singing, and reflecting. It's quiet, but powerful. You can feel something deeper than celebration. A connection between people, faith, and tradition. For many, this is a moment of renewal. A time to let go of the past and prepare for a fresh start. Then comes the most emotional moment of Timket. The blessing of the water. Priests pray over the water, turning it into something holy. And suddenly, the crowd comes alive. Water is sprinkled over everyone. Some people jump in. Some raise their hands. Some close their eyes in prayer. It's not just water. It's a symbol of cleansing, of rebirth, of faith. In that moment, you don't just see happiness. You see tears, smiles, and pure belief. Timket is also a beautiful expression of Ethiopian culture. The white clothing shining under the sun. The sound of drums and chants. The unity of people standing side by side. It's something you can't fully explain with words. You have to see it, to feel it. Timket is more than a festival. It's faith. It's culture. It's identity. And for Ethiopia, it's one of the strongest expressions of who the people truly are. This is not just a celebration. This is Timket. Right, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful, entertaining. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.